How to fix TikTok draft video problem. Hello guys, so in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok draft video problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings and go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds. It will start loading like this, and then scroll until you find TikTok. When you find TikTok, now you have to do simple things here. Just click on this force stop option and then go here to the data usage. Make sure that all those options are enabled. Go back, click on the storage and click on clear data right here. When you click on the clear data option, now you have to go back and open the power usage details and then make sure the power consumption alert is enabled. That's it. Now you have to restart your phone and don't forget to like and subscribe.